Intractable.org.uk has some wonderful patient information on there. They are helping patients also pay for the costs of their prescriptions too. So if you want to contribute to that, or if you need their help, do reach out to Intractable as well. Please donate to them if you would like to support that cause. If you do want more information around the cannabis industry, the laws, what's going on in terms of products, how cannabinoids work, more about the endocannabinoid system, take a look at the Canna Manual, which is our consumer guide that is available on Amazon. That pretty much contains everything you need to know about cannabis to keep yourself safe and also informed. We, of course, as well have the Global Cannabinoid Solutions YouTube channel, where we put as much free information on as we possibly can so that you can find just about all the answers you want. As well, we have CannabisScienceTraining.com, where we'll be putting more free tools for patients, consumers, and medical professionals as well, so that you know just where we stand with cannabis research, what we do know, what we don't know, and how to keep yourself safe in this very interesting and very dynamic cannabis industry that's emerging now across the world. And so I want to say a thank you to Intractable for all the incredible work they do. It's unfortunate that they have to do the work that they do, but it's a worthy cause, and unfortunately